I use a bigger one. Kabam. I just found it helps better that way. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do my everyday hair routine. This is pretty much what it is. This is a video that I posted about C-curls and it's basically the same thing except that I've upgraded my roots. I'm going to show you a quick, easy, simple, and cheap way that you can achieve voluminous roots that's just really going to frame your face and keep your hair looking voluminous all day. First, I would like to go through materials that you're going to need. The first one is a hair roller. If you're in Korea, you can get it at No Brand. You can get 6 of these for about, I think about 4,000 won, which is roughly about $3. This is the medium size. I also bought the large ones just for the layers that shape my face. There's a short one and there's a longer one. So I use this one for the longer pieces. That way it doesn't get too curly. But I think with just one of this, it's fine. Next up, you're gonna need some hair clips. 2 is enough. There's short ones and there's really long ones. I just got the short ones. So I got it in a packet for about 2,000 won, which is roughly about $1.50. And I got it online. Don't need that much, but at least 2. Something that's also very important is that you're gonna need some hairspray. And then this is optional, but you can get some type of hair serum or some hair oil. Something that's also optional as well is hair protectant to prevent split ends. So that is all for the materials. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So the first thing that I do in the morning is I wrap my hair in this hair roller right here. And as you can see, I have long hair, but I have these front layers that kind of frame my face. So they're a lot shorter, and I have like medium ones, and then I have like really short and smaller bangs. Sometimes what I do is I use a short one I use a small roller for my small hair, and then for my long hair I use a bigger one, bam, and I roll these guys up, bringing the hair forward because it's gonna push forward, like it's gonna push at the roots and frame the face really well. I just found it helps better that way. So you can either do one of these, but the reason why I got the big one is because the small one, if I leave it on too long, then my hairs, like these long parts, start curling instead of giving a nice round look to it. I found the perfect timing for it to not be so curly. You can just use one of these. After I roll it up, I go ahead and do my makeup, which takes about 20 minutes. And then I do my hair. Now at this part, I've already pre-rolled my hair just for this. So at this part, when I'm doing my hair after my makeup, I bring it down and I split it. I split it like so. So now our hair is already sort of like semi-curled. This is the part where you're gonna need your little clippies. I'm just gonna clip it like right here at the roots, just to kind of give it that lift and keep it there. So one here, and I'm gonna do it on the other side as well, like that, because my hair will be splitting in half. And sometimes this hair sees extra parts. I can't see the camera. So we're just gonna clip it like so that it lifts it at the roots. I'm gonna go ahead and use my hairspray. I'm gonna cover my face and I'm gonna spray just once here at the root. Okay, it's kind of a bit close, but this hairspray doesn't leave like hairspray marks, if that makes sense. And here at this fold, I'm gonna go ahead and just use my hand to shield, and I'm gonna spray this part right here, just all across. There we go. So I'll go ahead and spray that. See, I curled it a little bit too long, but it would go back. Now that we got this part figured out, just leave this on. We're gonna move on to the other parts of the hair, the longer pieces. In the beginning of time, I did a video of my C-curl hairstyle. It's basically the same thing, but just for review, we're gonna go over it. Usually what I do is I split my hair. Bottom pieces are gonna come first. This is optional, but you can also use hair protector. This I've had since like my first C-curl video. I haven't used it since, just because I trim my hair every month anyway. So this is optional if you want to use heat protectant. Like, it's not even trying to come out. Yeah, we're not gonna go with this. It's time to throw it out. So in my C-curl video, basically you're just gonna bring your hair and you're gonna make a loop so that it makes a loop at the bottom. You can also kind of curl it in your fingers, make it curl in and leave it there for a while just to kind of strengthen the curl a bit. Just gonna turn it slightly. You're gonna turn it depending on how small you want the curl to be. You can kind of control it. If you want it to be large circles, then you would start curling at a higher distance. If you want just like slight curl, then you would curl it at a smaller point. I usually prefer a more medium to large curl, just so that my hair looks a bit luminous. If needed, you can just tie your hair so that your hair doesn't get in the way. Again, just turn your straightener ever so slightly like a C and hold it just to keep in the curl and the heat. So I usually do 3 layers, the bottom, the middle, and the top. And now we're at the top, so we'll just finish it up. You don't want to grab too much hair, just enough to fit your straightener. This could work with a curling iron too. I haven't tried it, but I've always used my portable straightener. After you're done, check behind to see if you missed any strands. Seems like we didn't. Now moving on, we're gonna move these parts. Ouch, I just plucked my hair. I have a mirror. But once you move it, like you can see how there's just such a big lift in your hair. Twice on special days or days when I feel my hair is just very dry or the ends are not really smooth, I go in with my argan oil and oof, that's too much. I do about 2 drops or so and I put it at the ends, maybe a little bit here. But paying special attention to the ends because you kind of want it to be very soft. Sometimes if it over curls, you can just straighten it out or do whatever you need to do. Look at how like these, they just like slide to the side. They just stay there. This doesn't take much of my time, so why not? It takes about 5 minutes just to do my hair. It makes me look so well put together. It's definitely getting better. I'm really happy with the results. This like pretty much lasts me all day. I go to work in the morning and then after 8 hours, there's still volume up here. Yeah, this is my upgraded look. Really cheap and affordable, so all you need is hairspray, these hair clips, just 2 of them, and a hair roller. That's pretty much it. So that's all for my video today. Hopefully you found some helpful tips. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this. Also like to do a giveaway, but it's gonna have to wait until maybe April, hopefully, because of what's going on right now. Other than that, that's all I have for you today, and I will see you in my next video.